Right now, in America, someone's bank account just got paid. They didn't go to work. They didn't answer emails. They're probably still asleep. And that money will keep coming tomorrow. And the day after. Whether they show up or not. Most people watching this were taught one way to make money. Work more hours, get more money. Stop working, the money stops. That trade feels normal. It's all most of us ever learned. But the people building serious wealth in this country figured out a completely different equation. Not income from hours. Income from ownership. And the gap between those two equations is why the wealth gap in America keeps growing, even when everyone is working harder. Today, Follow the Money with Max is breaking down the 6 actual mechanisms wealthy Americans use to make money without trading their time for it. Real systems. Documented. Not inspiration. Mechanics. Let's follow the money. Mechanism 1. Compound interest. Einstein may have called it the 8th wonder of the world. The math earns that title, whether he said it or not. Here's the difference that matters. You invest $1,000 at 5%. Simple interest gives you $50 a year. You pull it out every year. After 30 years, you've collected $1,500 in interest. Now leave that interest in. Let it compound. After 30 years, $4,300. Same 1,000. Same 5%. Just left alone to grow on itself. Now scale that up. $500 a month. Starting at 7% return, which is the conservative historical average for a diversified American index fund. After 40 years, $1.3 million. You personally put in $240,000. Compound interest generated the other $1,060,000. On its own, without your involvement. $4 made for every $1 you deposited. The single most important variable. Not how much you put in. When you started. Starting 10 years earlier beats doubling your monthly contribution. Every time. Mechanism 2. Dividend income. The biggest companies in America don't just grow in value. They pay you to own them. A slice of their profits goes to shareholders every quarter. Automatically. Whether you check your account or not. $10,000 in a broad American index fund generates roughly $200 a year in dividends. Not spectacular. But reinvest those dividends automatically. They buy more shares. Those shares generate more dividends. Those buy more shares. A $250,000 portfolio at 4% dividend yield generates $10,000 a year. $830 every month. Deposited without you lifting a finger. That's mechanism 2. Owning things that pay you to own them. Mechanism 3. Real estate leverage. This one created more ordinary American millionaires than almost anything else in history. And most people don't understand why. You have $50,000. Put it in stocks. You own $50,000 in assets. Put that same $50,000 as a down payment on a $250,000 property. Now you control $250,000 in assets. If the property goes up 10%, your stocks gain $5,000. The property gained $25,000 on your $50,000 invested. That's leverage. And while the property grows in value, tenants are paying rent every month. 2 income streams from one asset. That combination over decades is how families who couldn't afford anything fancy ended up owning more than the people who looked wealthier than them. Mechanism 4. Equity ownership. This is how most billionaires actually built their money. Not salaries. Ownership stakes. When someone owns a slice of a company, and that company grows from $10 billion to $1 trillion in value, their slice goes with it. No extra effort. The business became more valuable. The ownership reflected it. But here's what most people completely miss. If you have a 401k, an IRA, any investment account with index funds, you already own equity in hundreds of American companies. The mechanism is identical. The stake is smaller. That's the only difference. Mechanism 5. Intellectual property. The simplest of all, and the most underestimated. You do the work once. It keeps paying you. A musician writes a song. Every time it streams, they get paid. They don't re-record it. The royalty arrives. An author writes a book. Every copy sold generates income for years after the writing stopped. In the digital economy, this is more accessible than it's ever been. A YouTube channel with a library of videos earns advertising revenue on every view of every video, indefinitely. A course built once generates enrollment revenue for years. The estates of musicians who died decades ago still earn millions annually. The creator is gone. The income mechanism they built is not. Mechanism 6. The system that connects them all. Most people who learn about one of these mechanisms use it alone. They open a savings account. Buy one stock, one property, one mechanism. Operating in isolation. Wealthy Americans do it differently. They connect the outputs. Dividend income gets reinvested into more equity. Rental income funds the next down payment. Royalties build the investment portfolio. The portfolio dividends fund more intellectual property creation. Each mechanism feeds the others. The system grows faster than any single piece could grow alone. Not one income stream. A self-reinforcing ecosystem, where the money from one thing funds the growth of the next thing. Automatically. That's the system. Here's what ties this entire investigation together. Pablo Escobar generated more income in a single month than most Americans will earn in their lifetimes. And it was destroying him. Because income without a conversion mechanism is not wealth. It is temporary. The lottery winners who went broke weren't unlucky. They received enormous sums of money and had no system to convert it into something that sustained itself. The billionaires who legally pay lower tax rates than their employees, they built the system. Their money funds more of itself without triggering ordinary income taxes. We investigated exactly how in a previous Follow the Money with Max episode. The pattern is always the same. Wealth is not about how much arrives. It's about what the money does after it gets there. The 6 mechanisms are what it does when the right people are running the right equation. Most people in America are not financially struggling because they don't work hard enough. They are struggling because they were handed one equation and told it was the only one. Work, get paid, repeat, until you can't anymore. That equation was never designed to build generational wealth. It was designed to produce productive workers. And there's nothing wrong with working. But understanding the second equation while you work, that changes the trajectory permanently. My name is Max. This is Follow the Money with Max. If this shifted how you see money, share it with someone who's working hard but not getting ahead. Because the gap between them and the people who seem to have everything might not be effort. It might be which equation they were taught. Subscribe. Because next time Follow the Money with Max investigates the one macroeconomic force that makes these 6 mechanisms work brilliantly or fail completely depending on conditions most Americans have never had explained clearly. Inflation versus deflation. And why understanding the difference right now, in this economy, could be the most important financial concept you add to everything we just covered. That's next. Follow the Money with Max.